Batisi TV, Lawan Rashipi Daka Frank Yamaha, the Maxi Sports Scooter A-Rox 155. Ringkat Bakanet Foodish, Ordar Mapi, Ninwan Ramani, Hakir Dobying Jompi.
Ka kinhun jong ka Election Commission of India kalawan shanong ba shilong ban pet la kalabyang ni ka jingpun kre ban pelong no ya ka election ka kinhun jong ka ECI kalai kendu ya ki sengsan Pathai ba per ban sngap ya ka jing sngo jong ki habai karan shakila Pathai Khubor u Chief Election Commissioner jong ka Election Commission of India u Rajiv Kumar u laong ba ki Kyrtong ki badam dak Sniew lani criminal records kinha ban Pynshai pajba hadu Laisien Laiwat hakila Pathai Khubor ya kata karkot jong ki u laong ru ba omtang ki Kyrtong hanrei wat ki sengsan Pathai ki ba ai tiket ya ki kinha ban Pynshai balai ba ki hab ai tiket haki brio ki badam dak Sniew lani criminal records Ulakran ru ya ki wepat kiman ki baidai bat election.
The next important point is about the involvement of the political parties at every stage of the election process and of the media as well. The hallmark of the election which we ensure is that every action of ours is in a transparent mode. And secondly, we make disclosures of whatever is happening. So the political parties are involved at every stage of updation of electoral rolls. There are standing committee meetings weekly and even earlier with the district, in every district, in constituencies. Whenever the FLC is done and the commissioning of the machines is done, symbols are loaded, the political parties remain there. Mock polls, storage of the transports, EVMs, booth level agents, polling agents. What one is trying to tell you is that every stage, as I mentioned, when the voting takes place through postal ballot at the homes of the senior citizens of PWDs, that time also all political parties' agents can remain present and remain present. So that entire process is transparent and absolutely for everybody to see. Now, if any candidate has a criminal background, the voters need to know this, so that they can make informed choices. So this particular application, Know Your Candidate, KYC, allows the voters to see the criminal background of any candidate. Commission is mandated that each candidate, if he has a criminal background, must publish it in newspapers 3 times, prominently, also in news channels, that these are the cases against me. And then, so that the voter can take an informed choice. If he wants to still vote, that is the voter's choice. Our job is to put it in public domain, publicize it as much as possible, and then the political parties who have given them tickets must also explain, must also give it in newspapers, and also give a justification as to why they have selected a person with a criminal background. Was it so difficult to get a person without the criminal background in that particular constituency? That also the political parties need to publish, and this application, voters can know what is the ground, what are the charges. We had detailed meetings with the enforcement agencies, the state police, excise, GST, revenue intelligence, CISF, income tax, enforcement directorate, border security force, airport authorities, Reserve Bank of India, narcotics bureau, railways. Why? The purpose behind this was that they all come together and create a situation and a environment which ensures that elections are inducement free. There is no scope for the freebies to be distributed, the cash to move from one place to another or to be distributed, drugs, which is a very, very serious issue, is not transited from here or not consumed here. So we have given directions to everybody, and they will be on their job very strictly. They'll have checkposts at all the interstate and international borders, manned by also the paramilitary forces wherever necessary. They will have CCTV cameras there. The Narcotics Bureau will have close look at the route which is used for the transit. Air Intelligence Unit will keep a check on all the planes or the choppers coming into the state or going out of the state. This is in addition to the scheduled commercial flights. If any chartered flight is coming or if any helicopter is coming to the state, the mechanisms are being put by these agencies in place that they come to know of it in advance, and there are standard protocols to do the checking of those things also, so that there's nothing irregular or illegal which comes into the state to influence the elections or to disturb the level playing field at any stage. The GST and the CBIC would keep a watch on the warehouses so that nothing is stocked there for distribution at the time of elections or before the election. All these directions have been given, and we are sure, we are committed that it is peaceful, it is transparent, and it is inducement.